Country Club Hospitality and Holidays Ltd launching its 51st property, Valley Vista Resort, in Gangtok. Since this is a corporate announcement, the tone should be professional yet inviting, highlighting the strategic importance, luxury appeal, and membership benefits. Country Club Hospitality and Holidays launches its 51st property, Valley Vista Resort in Gangtok. Gangtok, Sikkim Vertical Bar 15th August 2025, Country Club Hospitality and Holidays Ltd India's Zerodot hospitality pioneer, has added a new jewel to its crown with the grand launch of its 51st premium property, Valley Vista Resort in Gangtok. This milestone marks CCHHL's strategic entry into the North and Northeast Indian tourism market, tapping into the region's growing demand for luxury travel and leisure experiences. The launch also coincides with the celebrations of India's 79th Independence Day, making it a momentous occasion for the company and its 700,000 plus members nationwide. A landmark expansion into the Himalayas. With 51 properties across the country, CCHHL continues to strengthen its position as one of India's most trusted names in hospitality and holidays. The launch of Valley Vista Resort in Gangtok reflects the company's vision of bringing world-class holiday experiences to unexplored yet scenic destinations. Many Indians travel abroad but haven't explored the natural beauty of Sikkim, said Y. Rajiv Reddy, Chairman and Managing Director of CCHHL. With Valley Vista Resort, we aim to showcase Gangtok as a luxury destination while delivering the exceptional hospitality that our members expect from us. Introducing the exclusive VIP Gold membership. To mark the launch, CCHHL unveiled its exclusive VIP Gold membership card, a premium offering designed to reward loyal members. The card comes with complimentary stays at Valley Vista Resort and other CCHHL properties, lifetime privileges across all 51 locations, special discounts, offers, and curated holiday packages. I personally feel that our members are our biggest brand ambassadors, Reddy shared during the event. This VIP Gold membership is a way for us to thank our members and allow them to share the country club experience with their loved ones. Sustainable growth through a Zerodot model. CCHHL's impressive expansion is powered by its unique Zerodot business model, a rarity in the hospitality industry. Reddy highlighted that Indian banks fully support the company, offering easy EMI facilities to members, which ensures sustainable growth without external funding pressures. This member-driven model has helped CCHHL maintain financial stability while continuously expanding its network of premium resorts and holiday destinations. Valley Vista Resort, a gateway to Sikkim's hidden beauty. Nestled amidst the serene Himalayan ranges, Valley Vista Resort offers guests a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and nature. With panoramic valley views, modern amenities, and curated local experiences, the resort promises to redefine holidaying in the Northeast. For travelers seeking authentic Himalayan escapes, Valley Vista Resort provides an ideal base to explore Sikkim's pristine landscapes, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality. About Country Club Hospitality and Holidays Ltd. Country Club Hospitality and Holidays Ltd is one of India's leading hospitality brands, known for its Zerodot business model and a network of 51 premium properties across the country. From luxury resorts and clubs to curated holiday experiences, CCHHL continues to set new benchmarks in the industry by combining innovation, member-driven growth, and exceptional guest experiences.
The grand launch of a VIP membership gold, we can elaborate some.
Yeah, grand launch, for the VIP membership. Now, for the new members, we are giving, apart from the gold coin, this is a gold coin revolution. You have to understand that in India, people relate to two things. One is land, one is gold. So we are giving a free gold card, gold to all the new members, apart from the 2 nights, 3 days holidays. And for the existing members, on one introduction, they get a gold coin also. So this is a win-win-win situation for the member, for the existing member, for the new members, and also for the management. Because ours is a volume thing and ours is a community basically. Now, if you have seen, basically, right from Navratri or Baisakhi or Lohri or New Year or Christmas Eve, all these festivals we have celebrated, and you find this is the largest family club in the world actually. You find so many families coming there. You have seen yourself. I wanted you to personally see, so that is the reason I ask our people to play exactly what happens on a New Year night, how people come and celebrate Navratri, how people come and celebrate Baisakhi, and the kind of people who are associated with. I don't think so. I mean, the President of the United States of America would send a personal endorsement to me, unless he really believes in our company, our brand. It is such a beautiful moment and very appreciative. In fact, there is another thing. Bajpai ka.
Adi.